What's up, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix error like this. Can't be opened because Apple can't check it for malicious software on your Mac. But before we start, please consider subscribe to our channel, liking the video. Let's follow my steps. Click on Apple icon in the top left corner. And here click on System Settings. And once you're here, you can type in the search bar Privacy and Security. And once you're here, you can click on Privacy and Security. Or if your macOS is oldest, you can just tap on General and scroll down. And you can find Security section. And here, when you open your app, you can see this one. And here you need to click on Open anyway. That's it, I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about other problem with your Mac. See you next time!